So our process, as Garo mentioned, starts with the CAD. Now Garo's not creating all the designs on the CAD anymore. He starts with it. This gentleman here works with our CAD. So we create everything on computer. So when you make a custom order, he'll come here and do every special order. So for instance, we have here, right? Oh, this is the one you're working on? This special order will be his finger size 7 for a princess cut. This is the 2578. It's a popular style of ours. You can't just size it because it's a turning. So we create everything with the CAD here. So this takes, how many hours you think it takes for this to make? You have how many of these? Imagine how many special orders we have. Everyone can't do this, and you can't trust everyone to do it the proper way. So this is the only gentleman that works on CAD other than Garo. So this is for a Princess 6.5. He'll make it exactly according to those measurements. And this ring is originally.
Good job on this one.
How long does that take you?
How
long does that take you to do one ring?
If it first start to make all over, it's 5-6 hours.
5-6 hours for one ring.
For this part.
Change
the size.
Yeah,
center stone.
A little less.
How long, like let's say the ring's already in there, and then you just have to adjust the head or something like that, it still takes...
That just takes a couple of hours, but it does take...
That's what I'm saying, I'm surprised it would take that long still.
It's never just the head. I mean, usually there is a finger size. I wish it was just the head.
Make it easier.
I'm gonna create the curves. For example, if I need round props, I'm gonna create curves and then to do round. It's a lot of comments, 400 comments.
One person does this. One person.
Wow.
Wow.
That is amazing. You get what percentage of your business you get, especially changing
half
of it. Because my store, we get a lot of product in extending. The head change that we were just discussing, and then you change it. Now, one person can respond to all the.
That's a lot of work for one person. We do a lot of it is also done if we don't need to do on CAD, we can work with the wax. You have ladies that work on the waxes as well if it's something that doesn't. But for certain rings like eternity crescents, you can't work with the wax. So there are jobs that he does, and he's creating new designs as well. Garo and Hike and Garo work, they come up with the master design that they're going to come up with, the concept. Garo goes, expands out the concept, comes up with what's perfect. Then we have sketch artists that do the sketching, will classify it over there. They sketch, they spread it out and do hundreds of sketches. Then once it's good, and we come to the molds, he creates the CAD here. You'll see the waxes behind you over there, that's actually plastic. There's two types of creation that we do, which I'll show you if we go in here.
So I have a question.
Of course.
So not just about this, but I find it interesting. So let's say the ring's in there, and I know it's a different size. Does the computer know like how to scale it all down, or do you have to physically still tell it what to do?
Finger size or the head size?
Let's say the finger size, and it's an eternity like that, and finger size 4 or something.
For example, I can put here.
No, of course. There's no bad questions here. Absolutely, guys.
And I don't want to change head.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put circle and the curve. Now it don't gonna change the head. It's gonna change only the size.
Yeah.
For example, what size? Okay, 6 size.
And then you have the size there.
And then I'm gonna say resize. Now it's working. But each ring is different style. But okay, wait a minute. Now this is its size. Size already. The second. Now size 6. But it all is here 5. It's gonna size all together the same.
Right.
Okay.
So what it does is when you change the size, it also changes the size of the crescent. So when you go to the diamond department, which is really interesting because we only have 4 people that work in the diamond department. They pick each stone. So sometimes they have to pick the stones. We can't pick the diamonds until after the ring is cast because we don't know what size it is. So it's not just like, oh, we need 2526 and make it. It's not like that. He has to size it, then all the dimensions change. Yeah.
Now, if you have a ring in here, and it's 5 1/4, 6.8 millimeter square stone in the center. Now, the order 2 months from now, you get that exact same order, 5 1/4, 6.8 millimeter stone. Does this have the capability to spit
To
it out?
remember it?
Because remember?
I
Or
don't
do you have
think
to go
we've
through the whole
ever had
process
exact
again?
same, there's never an exact same measurement.
Really?
We don't even do, yeah, like
Okay.
the finger size with the center stone measurements, we don't keep that. We just have the master, yeah. There's
Okay.
always a slight difference.
Okay.
So people will say you didn't make it, we do make it according to the exact measurements of the stone. And it's just the different setters that have, it's a challenge for the setter to figure out how to set it. Center stone is the hardest stone to set. The diamond setter will tell you that. The most talented setters are the center stone setters that we have. They're all talented, but the center stone ones have the most experience, we'll call it.